Hello guys, got this morning this box of happiness and we're going to open this one. Okay, we're going to open this one. Rubber's nights. Okay, this one. Okay, guys, this is a pink diamond. See? Good thing we have 1, 2, 3 pops that soon to be graft to other rootstock. Pink diamond. Okay, let's go the other one. Just and this one is a new blood. The new blood. And the other one. Um, please welcome the Taiwan clone. Wow, so many pops. Okay, that's all. Bye. Happiness is just around the corner.